Okay, hold on. I'll just tell you when you need to speak. Okay. Right. Okay. Hello. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to yet another episode of Spotlight. And today with me, I have Dhairya Surana, another very creative child. But before I kind of ask him to introduce, all of us have heard about terms called as tinkering, or all of us have heard about the maker movement. So all of that is just picking up things that you have around you, picking up toys, picking up all the gadgets that you have around you, mixing them together and creating something very interesting. And this is exactly what Dhairya has done. And of course, he's going to show us two of his creations today. Of course, we're going to wait for a little while once his family members, once all the followers of Sunday Bricks, all of them join in, and then we're going to quickly have a nice little word with Dhairya. In another 10 seconds, Dhairya is going to be speaking, but I'm just going to let you know that Spotlight is basically an initiative by Sunday Bricks where we are celebrating creativity. And as I said, along with us today, we've got Dhairya Surana. So there, yeah, it's over to you. Let us know what you do. Okay, we do not talk about the model that you are going to show us, but just tell us about you. Whatever that you do around, just tell us about you.
Hi guys, my name is Dhairya Surana and I have made many different kinds of things like in Lego. I like Lego because we can make creative things, different types like dinosaurs,
Uh-huh.
robots, cars, and even like monster trucks.
Okay, so there, yeah, I'm just going to ask you to pause here. But what apart from Lego? We're going to talk about Lego in a bit, but just tell us what is it that you like apart from Lego? What is it that you do apart from Lego?
Uh, Karate.
Okay, that's nice. And I mean, are you like a black belt karate champion?
No, a purple belt.
Okay, so how many bells you need to move on to the black belt?
Uh, two more.
Two more. Okay, wonderful. So, ladies and gentlemen, we've got a very bright child here who's also pursuing karate, and he's almost there up to the black belt. So he's physically very strong and he's mentally very strong because he's amazing at his creation. What else, there? What is it that you like to do apart from Lego and apart from karate? Come on.
Drawings.
You love drawing. Amazing. That's nice. And do you follow any particular artist, or it's just that you do it freehand?
A freehand. Sometimes I also do on computers.
Okay, that's very nice. So that's more of digital art, right? Okay, great. So now I think all of us are very excited and we want to know what is the first thing that you want us to show. Okay, can we see what is the first thing that you want to show that you've made with Lego?
My first thing is my Lego arm.
Wow. Wow.
With fingers
Oh my God, it's really moving as well. Good job.
and even move my hand with
Okay. Oh,
the first channel on
can we
YouTube.
just see it once again? Dhairya, can we just see it once again? Can we see it moving once again? Wow, superb. Okay, so you know what? What is it that we want to know? One, what inspired you to make this? We want to know what inspired you to make this.
Fabulous channel on YouTube. When he was 9 years old, he
Okay,
Lego and he had one arm. So he started making his own arm from Lego, and now he makes different kinds of arms like uh, there's push-ups, lifting heavy things, and doing his daily chores.
okay,
By him, so I had made my own arm, which actually didn't have fingers. It could mend only its hand.
okay.
I made a finger one, which can move its fingers and bend its hand.
Okay. So, Dhairya's father, can you just make sure that the focus is on just on him? Because, if you move the camera, we're not able to hear him. So, if you can just let him speak, and then and then we're going to see the arm again. Yes, Dhairya, you were saying something, right?
Now you can also use this type of lock to fit on the arm.
Okay.
There are three locks.
Okay. And why do we need to do this?
So if you don't put locks, it will fall from my hands. And if you put locks, it doesn't. It stays on the right position.
Okay. So, you mean you've locked your arm by using that plate, is it?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So, basically, you're not able to move your elbow, right? Oh, yes. Okay. You are able to move it. Okay, that's very nice. And how much time did it take to make this particular arm?
2 hours.
2 hours. That's nice. And did you end up using all your Lego bricks, or do you still have some more?
I have some. I have actually 12 boxes of Lego, and
Okay,
now because in Karna I cannot buy new Lego, so
right.
like I make my own from Lego, and
Very
which
nice.
I have also made a Lego car which
Uh-huh.
works which works from the remote.
Oh, we have to really see that. So, ladies and gentlemen, here is a little robotic arm that Darius made. Of course, it doesn't have the motor functions, but I know that eventually, once he grows, once he has some more ideas about how to use, different equipments along with this, I am sure he is going to probably work on this particular model that he's created. For a 7-year-old, this is really amazing. Trust me, it's not easy to visualize. You're doing measurements of your arm, and of course, you're kind of trying and emulate what actually a human hand or a human elbow or a human fingers are going to do. So there, yeah, that's absolutely amazing, and we were really, really very happy to see what you made. Can we just quickly see the arm once? Wow, and it's so strong. I mean, it's amazing, Daria. I'm very, very happy to see this. Superb. Good job. Beautiful. Very nice. And of course, for the moments right now, he was using rubber bands, but he's just getting onto it, and I'm sure he's going to add movements. He's going to add motors, and slowly his fingers are going to move automatically, right? You want to say something, Daria, about this?
Yes, I have also written my name D-shaped, which is
Uh-huh.
in and there's a
Wow.
design shape behind it. I have used to
Wow.
design this part so it cannot see.
Very nice. So it's basically he's got a little mark there which says designed by Dhairya Surana. Wonderful.
And my this arm's name is MK2.
What is it called? NK2.
Yes.
Why is it called NK2? I am very curious to know that.
David Argala actually made his different kinds of arms named MK2. So I
Uh-huh.
also and I made my own arms named MK2.
Okay, very nice. Maybe once you are a bit older, you can think about another name also if you want to change the name, okay? But that's very, very nice. Amazing. Good job. I'm really, really happy to see this. Okay, you know what? I am now curious, and everybody is very curious to see how did you make a remote control car, all by yourself? Ladies and gentlemen, if you've got any questions for Dhairya, please use the comment section. Type in your questions, and we're going to ask Dhairya, and he's going to answer that. And now we're moving on to what else Dhairya's built and what he wants to show us. Come on, Dhairya, we're waiting to see.
Uh, in my third standard, I had a science project.
Okay, okay,
I had me to remove the old remote control car's body, and inside it looks like this.
okay,
And my father had attached a mother helper, which could carry things like food from one place to another only in house.
Okay.
And so after that time, I had gotten an idea and I made my own Lego cover.
Okay, so basically from an old remote control car, you've picked up the sensor, you've picked up the motor and all of that, and you've designed your own Lego car, right?
Like this now.
Wow. Okay. That's amazing. And do you have the remote? Can it work? Would you want to show us how it works?
See inside the engine's damaged.
Or
And
the
I have
engine has damage?
the engine up only. Inside there is a boost so it can attach the pipe and it goes from back till here.
Okay, that's nice. Superb. So on the okay, so you've basically what you've done, you still have the old car at the bottom, and on top of that you've made a Lego a top part, right?
Yes.
Wow, wow, wow. I wish this was working. I wish this was working. We're gonna see it work?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, that's cool. Does it work with the remote? Oh my goodness. Superb. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, this is really amazing. I mean, this is real tinkering, and this is really where creativity can lead children to. I am so, so happy and so excited to bring this here and encourage so many other families who are enjoying this episode of Spotlight. Daria, this is amazing, beautiful. Have you ever thought how much weight can this car take? How much of weight can this motor bear? Have you ever tested that?
I have taken the measurement so I could attach it. If I couldn't take a measurement, then I don't know how much weight it can hold. Now I know how much weight it can hold, so I made like this one, but
And how did you measure it?
with my hands.
With your hands. Okay, that's very nice. Okay, good job. And have you fixed the top part to the bottom part, or it's still loose?
It's cool because I've only attached it. It can come out. You can see like this, and there are some lights, so it could have a disco lights.
Right. You know what? You could probably even make a second version of it. So probably if somebody buys a car from you and then on a Sunday they want to use another roof for the car, they could always change the roof, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Don't you think that's a good idea? We never have a car wherein we can change the roof or color of the car.
Measure it.
Okay, sorry, what did you say?
The most important thing in the car, which everyone has to make, is to measure. If you
Okay.
measure, make anything, but the weight has to be measured.
Okay, that's very, very nice. That's good job. Superb. I really loved seeing this thing that you made. Okay. Would you want us to see something else that you've made?
Yeah, I have also made a Lego flag,
Okay, wow, that's nice. Can we see that?
which I can hoist it up.
Okay, that's very nice. Apart from Lego, I want to know what other things that you've added here. Daria, would you want to just explain us? Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, there is no Lego power function that is used here. He is just using simple batteries and a simple motor to control this little flag hoisting setup that he's made. Daria, would you want to explain us now, please?
I have used a Lego stand to attach a sticker so the flag can be stable. And there's
Sorry, what
a
stick is that? Sorry, can you repeat what stick is that?
bamboo stick, darker
Oh,
yellow
that's
one.
okay, okay.
And in the flags, there's a rope attached inside, so that's why it goes up and it can go down also.
That's amazing. Beautiful. Okay. And what is that little thing that you've used that you're connecting? What motor is that? Is that your car motor or what is it?
It's my bike's motor, bike.
Oh, it's your bike's motor. Beautiful. Can we see it operating now?
Yeah, it went down.
It went down. And And how does it know that it's supposed to go up, and how does it know it's supposed to come up?
Yeah, because the wires are connecting to the battery, so the motor is also attached on it. That's why
Okay.
there's a rope on it, so the flag is also attached. It can go up. And how it goes down?
Yeah, how
And
would
it
it
can
go down?
switch the wires. Red goes ahead and white goes back.
Okay, and why do you need to switch the wires? What happens when you switch the wire?
If you switch the wires, then if we do the first one white up and red down, then it will go up.
Okay, okay.
And if you go white down and red up, it can go down.
That's nice. Okay. So once you're a little bit, once you're a little bit older, you're going to really understand what happens when you switch those wires. But I think right now it's very, very important that you focus on building these things. And of course, your daddy is there to help you in terms of getting you more comfortable with these, gadgets. And of course, you can improve your Lego creations, which is very, very nice. What else would you like to show us? I mean, amazing, Daria. I am so very happy to do this. Uh,
Octopus.
what's this? Wow.
Yes, it's an octopus which it can bend its scales so that it also has mouth. So if any creature or like it's hungry, it can eat from here.
Okay, that's very nice. Beautiful. Superman. What is this creature called?
It's called an octopus, which
Oh, it's
it
an
can
ox.
live underground, deep in sea oceans where it can also can be not seen in dark, but if it has light, so then it can be seen, and there are different kinds of octopus that can color change and camouflage.
Very nice. Super. Good job. So, Daria, what inspires you? Where do you get all these beautiful ideas from? Where do you get all these amazing ideas from?
I get these amazing ideas first when I got my old Lego sets, then I had studied from the book, but after some time when I watched some movies, I made the same thing like a racing card, a Lego arm, and an octopus.
That's nice. That's nice. And when you're stuck, who helps you? Who helps you when you're stuck?
I also used to watch dinosaurs channel on YouTube from my iPad, so I made like different, but I have made two difficult dinosaurs which were like Mosasaurus
Mm-hmm.
and Saurus, which was a long neck dinosaur. It can build its tail and even its neck.
Wow, that's nice. Superb.
Dinosaur which it has a crocodile mouth and it looks like a fish.
Wow. So, Daria, when you're stuck, who helps you? When you're stuck, you don't know what you're supposed to do. You don't know what part you're supposed to use. You're not able to understand what you need to do. Who's helping you?
Mother helps
Your
me.
mom. Oh, your mama is the true inspiration behind this, right?
Yes.
And with all the motor functions, with all the battery and all, your daddy is helping you.
Yes.
Very nice. Beautiful. Okay, would you want to give a message to your family and friends who are watching you? A lot of your cousins, a lot of your family members are seeing this. Do you want to tell them something?
Yes.
What do you want to tell them? Let us know. Come on, they're all waiting.
I also like to send them that whichever any people don't have Lego, make from electronic toys like they want something like monster trucks, transformers, and even racing cars.
Oh, you know what? I thought you're going to tell your Nana Nani and Dada Dadi that, I've been on this show now. I've done very good work. Now, next time you come to my place, you're supposed to get me another box of Lego. I thought you're going to say that.
Yes.
Oh, so I think that's what you want. Of course, after seeing you here on the screen, I am sure everybody is going to gift you another box of Lego. Trust me, they're going to do that. Okay.
Yeah, because
Great.
I love.
I know, even I love. Okay, very nice. Great. So it was amazing to have you here, Dhairya. We've seen amazing creations that you've showed us. Wow, I'm very very happy to host this particular series on Sunday Break. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for sparing your time and being here with Dhairya. Please be safe, and of course, next Friday we're going to be back with another creative child, and let's see what that child has to show us. Thank you very much, Daria, and I'm going to talk to you in a bit. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, have a great evening ahead.